Hello and welcome to another video from Simply Schedule Appointments. My name is James, and in today's video we're going to be talking about a pretty big improvement we made to our Google Calendar integration. So in the past, in order to connect your Simply Schedule Appointments WordPress website with your Google Calendar, it involved a bit of a technical process. You had to go to the Google Developer Console and just basically you just had to do a bunch of stuff that a lot of people weren't very comfortable with. It worked great once you got it set up, but the process was a little arduous. And so we've made a pretty big improvement that actually makes connecting your Google account super easy. It's basically just a couple clicks of a button and you're all done. So I'm going to show you that, and then we're going to take a little bit of time to talk about what you can actually do with this feature once you've got your Google account connected. So connecting your Google account is very, very simple now. All you have to do is go to your settings, enable the Google option here, and then we can click on it and we'll see the sign in with Google button. All we're going to do is click on that button, and then it's going to bring up all the accounts that I'm currently signed into right now, and I'm going to pick the one I want to use. We'll click continue. If there's a box that says, Simply Schedule Appointments needs access to edit your calendars, you're going to need to check that box. I've already done this in the past, so it's not showing me that this time. And then just go ahead and click continue. And that's it. We have now connected our Simply Schedule Appointment WordPress website with our Google Calendar. So now that we've done that, if we go to an appointment type, and we'll click on this appointment type here, and we'll scroll down to the Google Calendar section, you can see that we have some options here. So first of all, this is a list of calendars that I have edit access to. And this is where I'm going to choose which calendar I want events to be added to. So when somebody comes to my website and they book an appointment with me, which calendar do I actually want that booking to be added to? So you'll pick the calendar. Down here, these are all calendars that you have at least read access to, so you can see the calendars. Maybe you can't edit them like you can the ones up here, but you can see them and you can see the events that are there. And these are the calendars that we're going to use to check for conflicts. So if I check this and this and this, then any events that exist on these calendars are going to show up on my calendar as already being booked. They're not available. So somebody won't be able to schedule an appointment if there's a conflicting event on one of these calendars. And you can choose the holidays calendar, and that will automatically block off things like Christmas and Labor Day and whatnot. You can also actually bulk edit, which is kind of neat. Now, if you look at my appointment types, I only have one. So I'm going to, can I just clone one? Yeah, I'm just going to clone this. And I don't know, we'll just call it clone. I just need an extra event booking type. So we have two different appointment types. And if we come over here and click on these boxes and select multiple, we can click on bulk edit, and we'll choose Google Calendar. Now the default is that we can do each of these appointment types separately, so I can choose the settings for this appointment type, and then I can choose the settings for this appointment type, or I can uncheck this option here, and now I'm editing both of those appointment types at the same time. So if I want all the settings to be the same for multiple appointment types, I can do what I'm doing right now, and I can say I want to add my events to this calendar, and I want to check these calendars for conflicts, and these settings that I'm doing right now are going to apply to all those appointment types that I selected. So you don't have to do the same thing over and over again for all your different appointment types. So hopefully that was helpful for you, and I hope you enjoyed the new Google connection feature. It's so much simpler than it was before. It takes just a few seconds, a few button clicks, so we're pretty excited about that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.